Save money and repair time with the Autel Advantage. Complete all your TPMS service repairs with a simplified one tool and one sensor inventory. Autel is the only manufacturer to offer a complete TPMS solution by producing both powerful scan tools and high-quality sensors to provide the most current vehicle coverage, easy-to-use tool navigation, and best tool and sensor compatibility. The new generation of Autel TPMS sensors and service tools offer several time-saving features, including an industry-leading tech support team you can contact anytime to discuss questions or troubleshoot your repairs. The new MX Sensor One sensor combines both 315 and 433 MHz frequencies for a one SKU sensor inventory, together with a quicker press-release valve stem for interchangeable metal and rubber valves. This programmable universal MX sensor inventory saves installation time. Both the TS508 and TS608 feature the exclusive TPMS status screen, a single-screen full system status check to help technicians easily view sensor feedback, then quickly pinpoint faults to instantly determine repair procedures. Busy technicians can find this time-saving feature takes the guesswork out of diagnostics to quickly complete repairs. Autel is an industry-leading producer of fast, simple, accurate, and affordable TPMS service tools, offering the most vehicle coverage. Autel engineers expedite development and release of new software updates to meet the demand of emerging vehicle technology. New software and tool features are updated as quickly as overnight, so you can update more often. The new generation TS508 Complete TPMS Service Tool offers free software updates for the life of the tool and easier to use navigation, providing the option to choose a fast or powerful service mode to ensure quicker TPMS repairs. The powerful advanced mode provides 3 exclusive time-saving features, including the widest OBD relearn coverage for a quicker relearn, or copy by activation and copy by OBD to avoid the relearn process. Color-coded icons and easy-to-follow graphic navigation provide technicians with a step-by-step guide to complete diagnostics and service correctly. Often considered time-consuming and confusing, TPMS service can be simplified when using a complete tool and sensor solution that's efficient and affordable. Shop owners can invest in tools even their inexperienced technicians can easily use. The Autel Complete TPMS solution makes this affordable return on investment option an easy choice to make. The new generation TS608 offers a combination of advanced service features with an all-system diagnostics and complete TPMS service in a 7-inch tablet scan tool. This industry-first complete service Android tablet tool offers a better value with a higher level of shop management applications and extensive vehicle service menu to provide all necessary features for any service shop. At a price point nearly half the advanced competitors, this high-value tablet provides enhanced graphic instructions for inexperienced technicians and advanced management features for experienced techs, so shop owners can improve repair time and customer satisfaction in a single shop tool. If you have any questions about your tool registration, software updates, or tool features, contact our free tech support team or visit autel.com or maxitpms.com.